just got the donuts.
Should have over there, but.
And then we're finna clean out his car. Don't know why.
Off that camera.
No. I promised them I would turn it back on for
Yeah, how you doing?
for YouTube. Okay. Well, I keep having these awkward silences. I got a jelly-filled donut. I haven't had me some jelly-filled in a long, long time.
Then we'll put me. First one, try these donuts.
I can't wait to have me some jelly-filled. And I bet you y'all can't wait for me to eat it. Jelly-filled.
Can I get $2 actually? Sorry.
I need it. I wonder what this plus this would be like. Would it make Chris bounce off the walls? Or this, and this. That would definitely make him bounce off the walls. Oop, let's go.
Put that out. Let's go. Let's do this first. We're gonna actually vacuum it.
Okay.
Why are you looking so funny? You recording me?
No. I'm recording both of us.
Oh, look at this shit.
I don't want y'all watching me eat. You guys, this looks so good. Well, it is so good. I already took a bite. Look at it. I love me some jelly-filled.
She loves herself too.
Got that right.
Yeah.
Well, I'll see you back at my house.
She's so cute. She goes, ah! As you record me.
Mm.
Yeah.
Tried to put him on record. I'll
So
pause you guys.
DJs.
I didn't.
The DJ Maniacs.
You guys aren't the DJs. You're the Johnson fam.
They're the DJs.
Oh God. Well, I'm gonna pause this now.
No DJs. I'm gonna shoot you in these videos now. I'm gonna shoot you in these videos.
You are?
I'm gonna act a fool.
Okay.
You ready? Act a fool.
Do it. It'll
All
get
right.
me more attention.
No, I'm gonna look really bad. It's gonna be a bad breath. You eat your poop.
That's Liana, not me.
Yeah, you did it too. There you go. You bit it when it's brown and hard.
Hard.
What, you drink the diarrhea kind? Like that? It's your own diarrhea.
No, I don't.
She eats her poop
Nuh-uh.
and she goes, good.
Mm-mm.
Wanna
That's
know,
my little sister.
wanna know how? I caught her. Yep.
When was this?
She's eating it like it was chocolate pie.
What was that?
It was a fly on your head.
It looks like I'm eating blood. Blood. I love me some Jello.
What's like?
Do I eat weird?
No, but your breath smells weird. Smells like rotten salmon. Gotta go back. 3 donuts down. Supposed to what?
Yeah. You said you'd eat more, drink more than half.
Yeah, but I am drinking more than half.
You're gonna drink all of it, aren't you?
No, you can have a sip.
Okay. Give me a second. I'm gonna rate his orange juice.
Top up.
This isn't even good orange juice.
Our orange juice is good.
Oop, did I not pause y'all? That was a...
Office information.
What the heck?
She said.
No, I didn't.
Trust me.
I'm gonna lift this thing up so I can actually film without the light being over me. Is that better? Can you see my face? That's better. It looks like I'm eating blood out of something. But it's just this. It's really good. Try it.
No.
Why?
This stuff makes me sick.
It does.
It's a texture. I'll puke. My tongue doesn't like certain textures. Sometimes just straight automatically roast me the fuck up.
You know what texture I really don't like?
But
that like really, really, really thick paste. Like peanut butter, but thicker.
Yeah, that's why I don't like ketchup. It's just disgusting. The taste, the texture, everything about ketchup.
He don't like ketchup or mustard. That's why he weird.
Huh. Good.
Yeah, but really, really thick, nasty stuff. Nuh-uh. I can't be doing that to myself.
Yeah, like a diarrhea.
Boy.
Am I hitting that pipe? Am I hitting the pipe? Am I hitting the pipe? Yep. Ready? Let's put on your Aye. You got clean.
No.
Alright, clean.
Oh, that donut's gone.